Wow, I am finally in the field. Beautiful. Yay! Yay! Oh my, the tropical wind is so warm. It is tickling my hair. So funny. Eek! A tiny green lizard. Oh, hello, little friend. The Philippines is so beautiful already. A little brown bird on my hat. Goodbye, sweet friend. Time for my flight. Wow, look at that colorful rainbow jeepney. It is so famous in the Philippines. Amazing. A little PC saying hello to me through the window. Oh my, so funny. Oh. Hello, little kitty cat. You are so adorable and fluffy. Welcome to my day. My hotel room key. It has a tiny sweet flower on it. It smells wonderful. Oh, hello, sweet horsey. You are such a gentle friend. What a beautiful, colorful carriage. Oh my goodness, this is Fort Santiago. It's hundreds and hundreds of years old. Wow. Oops, the cheeky little pigeon splashed my nose with water. That was so funny.
Oh my, a pretty yellow butterfly is sitting on my nose.
Shh, I cannot move.
A cheeky monkey stole my mango piece.
You little thief, come back with my fruit. Filipino barbecue is so tasty and sweet. I love this food so much. Listen, the pretty capi shell chimes are singing. Oh, a proud little rooster too. How cute. Oh, how beautiful. A tiny ladybug came to visit. The Manila sunset is pure magic. Look, tiny magical fireflies are dancing around me. What a beautiful end to day one. This is Palawan. The water is like a liquid turquoise crystal. So beautiful and magical. Oops, the boat splashed my cheek. It is refreshing and cool. Thank you, kind sir.
Mabuhay.
Wow! Look, jumping dolphins are swimming right beside our boat. This is incredible! A little butterfly is hello Marathi. Pure magic. The parrot said hello to me. Hello back, my funny green friend. Beautiful kayak day. Look, a teeny tiny hermit crab in a beautiful pink shell. He has his own little house. Yay! Fresh coconut juice is sweet. Oops, a coconut fell right next to me. Shh, look down. A beautiful green sea turtle is sitting by my feet. Oh, my heart. Hello, you fluffy white puppy. You are so cuddly and sweet. Biggest hugs for you. Palawan sunset. Words cannot describe this beauty. I will remember this moment forever. Truly magical. A funny little crab is waving hello to me with his tiny red claws. So silly. Look at my silly fish face. I am ready to snorkel with the beautiful ocean creatures. Yay! Oh my stars! A gentle giant whale shark is swimming right beside me. So incredibly magical and huge. I did it! I swam with a gentle whale shark. Oh, a tiny orange fish says hi. Amazing. my goodness, Kawasan Falls! The water is milky blue and crystal clear. A blue butterfly too. Hey, a cheeky monkey stole my hat. Come back, you silly jungle friend. So funny.
Keep my hat, little monkey. It looks great on you.
Hi, Koi, kind guy. Thank you, kind guy. Very much. The water is so cool and refreshing. I feel alive and free. Come join the splashing fun. Fresh grilled fish with rice and mango shake. Filipino food is absolutely delicious and fresh. Oh my heart! The famous chocolate hills! Hundreds of green cone hills like nature's candy! Incredible! Hello, precious little tarsier. Your huge golden eyes are so beautiful and gentle. Hi, tiny friend.
A little river otter is saying hello with his fish.
Enjoy your lunch too, cute friend. Oh my! The lechon pork is the best food in the world. Look at the beautiful cultural dance. Whoops! A little green gecko ran in front of me. You funny, speedy jungle friend. Oh my, I am going to fly over the jungle. Here I go. Wish me luck, friends.
You're all set. Go for it.
Whee! Flying like a beautiful bird over the jungle. This is the best feeling ever. Woo! I ziplined across the whole jungle. I feel so brave and amazing. Thank you, sir. Sweet mango shake. A purring kitty in my lap. This day has been pure magic. Welcome to Vigan. Look at my beautiful traditional Filipino barong blouse. It is so special and elegant. Clip, clop, clip, clop. I am riding a pretty horse carriage through old Vigan. What a dreamy morning. Oh, thank you so much, kind auntie. This rainbow bracelet is the most beautiful gift. Salamat. Crispy vegan empanada is so tasty. Shh, little mouse, here is a crumb for you. A little yellow hummingbird. This pastillas candy is sweet like honey. What a magical candy shop. Look at all the colorful rainbow flags above me. It feels like a magical Filipino festival everywhere. So many friendly pigeons are landing on my hands and shoulders. I feel like a fairy tale princess. Goodbye, Vigan. Thank you for the magic day. I release my wish lantern into the sky. Why, stars! The BANAUE terraces, 2,000 years old. The 8th wonder of the world. Whoa! I almost fell into the rice paddy. A little mud on my adventure. Thank you, sir. A beautiful charm from a kind grandmother. A cute little baby goat too. My heart is so full. I am learning the traditional Ifugao dance. Oops, I went the wrong way. So much fun. Yummy mountain bread with sweet honey. A tiny squirrel wants to share. Here you go, little friend. Look, I planted my first rice seedling like a real Filipino farmer. This is wonderful and meaningful. A majestic eagle is flying over the glowing rice terraces. This sunset is the most beautiful ever. Warm coffee around a magical bonfire with beautiful flute music. I feel so welcomed and happy here. tiny firefly in a sky full of magical stars. BANAUE has touched my heart forever. Boracay! The sand is like snow-powdered sugar. Hello, little puppy. Wanna be beach buddies? Whee! I am flying over the turquoise Boracay Sea. My hat almost flew away. A cheeky seagull wants my sweet mango. No way, gull. These fruits are mine. A little orange kitten wants to swing with me. Boracay is pure sweet paradise. I love this. Oops! I fell off the paddleboard into the warm sea. As this is the shower forever. Boracay sunset is the most beautiful thing ever. I will remember this moment in my heart. Amazing Filipino fire dancers! The lanterns and stars make this beach pure magic. My last night. Goodbye, beautiful Philippines. You gave me magical memories, new friends, and so much love. Until next time.